Hello everyone! Let's start with why you should watch this video. Well, if you also want to express yourself and find your creative voice, then the answer is yes. I have always felt inside that I wanted to create something with others could identify with. And with this video, I want to inspire people. What my tools of expression, why I think they are good and why I love them. Video editing can be used to tell our stories. And by story, we can mean anything. It can be our everyday life or just some fiction. That we love and also want to share with others. We can share the experiences that we gathered in our everyday lives and help others with that. And YouTube is a good platform for that. To start, we need a computer or a tablet or just a mobile phone. We have many softwares we can use. Personally, I use DaVinci Resolve. I really like that program, but it's just a personal preference. For example, you can start with Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, Sony Vegas, CapCut, and many more softwares. I plan to show you how to use DaVinci Resolve mostly on this channel. Tools and knowledge of them are important for expression. I hope I can inspire many people to create. Please share in the comments what experiences or stories want to share with others. Drawing. Drawing is another favorite of mine. Here too we can choose different ways to draw, traditionally on paper or digitally. I would like us to be developed together in the art of drawing. I believe it can be learned. When we draw, our momentary feelings reflected on the paper or the digital screen. I really like comics and you can expect videos about them on this channel. Please write me on the comments below what is your favorite comic book. It is the best way to start in both ways, also in traditionally and digitally. But first we will not need complicated tools, just a paper and a pencil. It can have a very meditative effect on us, but also very cool to draw characters, heroes, monsters. And when we draw them and imagine ourselves in their place, a little part of us also become heroes. Let's be our own heroes. Like any hero, that won't be easy, but that's what should motivate us. Writing. Writing is perhaps the simplest way to express ourselves and tell our story. I am using writing right now to create this video, but we can also write poems, novels, and if we go back, comic books. Everything is a bit connected, and that's the main goal of this channel, to use these tools and expressions together. The keyword is create. If we use them in harmony, we will create something cool. What would you like to write the most? Music. Music is also one of the main pillars. It is good for our soul. No matter what mood we are in, we can always find the right music. That is also why it has very meditative effect on us. You can use music to comfort and cheer us up, or just simply to enjoy it. Personally, rock is my thing. You can expect some guitar videos. I hope we can develop together in it. Create. If we put these points together, then we will create. This is the goal of this channel. I will give you the basis for creation. I hope we can tell many stories together. What do you think? Are you ready to start expressing yourself? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Let's be heroes.